Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Inside this tutorial I am going to show you how to use infographics. So open this. Now it will open. So simply same like other category. Here you can see the preview. Then select your infographic. Okay, you can double click on this comp and open in another one. And if you want to drag this composition in your scene, so how to do this process? Click on this here in project panel. Inside this you get two different folders, and one is infographic preview comp, which is open in timeline already. Okay, so click on this little triangle, scroll this down here, and inside this you get 12 different infographics categories. So for example, I like this one or this thing, so at this time I will select this complex. Okay, so this is complex than other, so I will select this infographic 01, and first I will create a new scene here. Okay, like this, and open this here. So at this time it is empty, so I will import some media files. So here I will import this file, sorry, not this one. Here I will import this or this. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I will select infographic and drag and drop down here. Now see here, I will hit 0, so you can see the bars animation. So you can set your value here also. So how to do this process? So here you can see your main comp, double click on it to open or edit these comps. So first here you can see this controller. With this controller you can change the this percentage value, and also to change the bars color, and also this main solid color. And next thing is text. Okay, so first I will show you here how it is work, like this. And next thing is how to edit this text. Simply select this selection tool and take your cursor on text which you want to edit. So for example, I want to edit this one like this. Okay, and if you want to edit this percentage, click on this controller, and here you can see, simply drag this down here like this. Okay, and then hit 0 to play. So now you are done. And one more thing is here is this placeholder. So how to replace your media inside this placeholder? You can see here a placeholder, double click on it, and you can replace your image at here like this, and scale it down scale it down proper fit in the canvas, and go to one main comp here, So this is your scene. See, so this is ready to use for your template. Okay, so this is all about infographic. If you have any another query regarding to this, you can contact us.